Hello, I Dr. S.B.Dhonde. In this video, I will explain the wireless standards and protocols. A standard is a required or agreed level of quality or attainment. There are standards for health, industry, and education. The International Organization for Standardization, known as ISO, is an international standard setting body composed of representatives from various national standards organizations. The wireless sensor network standards are tightly coupled to the ISM frequency band. A scientific and medical radio band were first established in 1947 by the International Telecommunication Union (ITU). A wireless sensor standard have been developed with key design requirement for low power consumption. So these are the various IEEE standards developed by IEEE, starting from IEEE 802.2 logical link control, IEEE 802.3 Ethernet, IEEE 802.11 wireless LAN, IEEE 802.15 wireless personal area network, IEEE 802.16 broadband wireless access, IEEE 802.20 mobile broadband wireless access, IEEE 802.15.1 it is a wireless personal area network, then IEEE 802.15.2 its coexistence, IEEE 802.15.3 high rate wireless personal area network, IEEE 802.15.4 low rate wireless personal area network, IEEE 802.15.4 mesh networking, IEEE 802.15.15 it is a ban, IEEE 802.15.7 visible light communication VLC. So this is an 802 wireless space which include the range. It means whether the network is wireless personal area network, wireless LAN, wireless MAN, wireless WAN against the data rate start in mbps. So as an instance, the 802.15.1 is a standard of lower transport layer of the Bluetooth stack that contain a MAC and physical layer specification. Task group 2 has delivered 802.15.2 as a recommended practice for coexistence of wireless personal area network, and uh, task group 3 of 802 had developed the 802.15 presented standard in 2003 that was intended for high rate wireless personal area network with application area such as multimedia and digital imaging. High rate in this context is transfer rate of 11, 22, 33, 44, and 55 Mbps. Task Group 3 has two sub-working groups called 802.15.3a and 802.15.3b. IEEE 802.15.4, that is low rate wireless personal area network. Now, IEEE 802.15.4 is a proposed standard for low-rate wireless personal area network with focus on enabling wireless sensor area network. IEEE 802.15.4 focus on low cost of deployment, low complexity, and low power consumption. It is designed for wireless sensor applications that require short-range communication to maximize the battery life. Wireless sensor network applications using IEEE 802.15.4 include residential, industrial, and environmental monitoring, control, and automation. IEEE 802.15.4 devices are designed to follow the physical and data link layer protocols. As shown in the table, the physical layer support 868 915 megahertz low band and 2.4 gigahertz high band. The MAC layer control access to the radio channel using CSMA-CA mechanism. The MAC layer is also responsible for validating the frame delivery, network interference, network synchronization, device association, and secure services. Now the range it is given 10 to 20 meter, latency 15 millisecond, addressing okay, it is a 8-bit or 64-bit IEEE. This next second table indicate the comparison between the IEEE 802.2 and the IEEE 802.15.4. So the range it is given for IEEE 802.11b is 100 meter, IEEE 802.15.1 it is a wireless personal area network, and IEEE 802.15.4 it is wireless personal area network, low range. Okay, the range is given, so 100 meter, 10 to 100 meter and 10 meter. The speed is given 11 Mbps, 1 Mbps, 0.25 Mbps. Power consumption, it is a medium in case of IEEE 802.11.b. It is a low in case of IEEE 802.15.1, and it is ultra low in case of IEEE 802.15.4. Thank you.